Hey, it's Lisa from Kitchen Witch Boutique. On Wednesday, July 13th, 2022, it is the full moon, the full buck moon. This evening, we went full in Capricorn at about 2:38 p.m. It's a super moon again, which is interesting. Metresili wanted me to make some perfume because anything made on the full moon is incredibly powerful. There's a lot of people out there struggling. Capricorn is a very steady, very stable sign. It's actually the sign of the she-goat, so it's kind of associated with sexuality, you know, with obstinance, you know, with really, really strong, stable energy. Like Capricorn gets the job done. So Metresili is the queen of perfumes. She's, you know, what she would call her treatment or her remedy or her spiritual bath, whatever, is generally perfume. So today, I have some rose petals in here. I have some flowers from hosta. I have a rose of Sharon in there. There's a little bit of, it's cane sugar tincture made with vodka, some sugar. There's some honey, etc. in there. Generally, she will dictate a formula for a client. You know, she hasn't dictated a particular formula, but I know that there's people that are really needing her right now. So today I went and I picked up some lavender. I haven't planted this yet. And some basil. Okay, she's particularly known for basil. Now basil is a fire herb, but you know, she's told us in the house, she's told Papa Hector to put a sprig of basil in a glass of water, sit it by your bedside. It will bring money. So generally that's what that's about. But with making perfumes for her, or really for anybody, you want to use really good ingredients, okay? This is from the Indian store. This is rose water, rose gulab. I don't exactly know what gulab means. I'm not sure with that, but it's a better quality of rose water, okay? She loves rose, so we're absolutely putting some rose absolute. This is like rose, this is rose essential oil, okay? Same with Lang Lang. Lang Lang is a very pure oil. All right, one of her signature scents is Lily. Remember, she's the Blessed Virgin, okay? She likes this Pacifica also. It's called Persian Rose by Pacifica, okay? And with her, you always want to add champagne. She loves her champagne. This is not like the best of the best, but it's okay. And signature Erzulie Pompeii lotion, okay? So what we're gonna do, now generally she's not a lavender girl per se, that's more Mama Project. But lavender is nice for cleansing, love conditions, etc. Also for money, surprisingly so. But that's okay. This is, I don't know what kind of lavender this is. I just thought this was cool. I got it at Lowe's, but it's all good. So we're gonna drop some lavender in there. We're gonna drop some basil in there. Okay, this is gonna sit under the full moon this evening. And thank goodness it's not gonna rain as far as I can see. All right, we're gonna try to open this with one hand. Oh my God, I actually did it. Okay, that's awesome. So we're gonna pour the entire thing in here. This is the rose water, okay? And I also have this that I got from the store. I'm not, you know, again, I don't know a lot about this stuff, but supposedly, you know, she wanted this one, volcanic water. I think it's got some kind of cleansing effect or whatever. I don't know, but we're gonna add that. Generally with most spiritual, with most spiritual colognes, spirit calls for Florida water, but she's like about it. Like she's like, if you want, for whatever reason, she doesn't like Florida water. Like she likes to be different. So we're gonna add a little bit of the lily. Okay, we're not able to get that off right now. Oh, no, I got it. Okay, so a little bit of the lily essential oil. Okay, there you go. A little bit of the rose. This is her favorite. Okay. A little bit of the Lang Lang. All right, there's no fucking way I'm getting that cap off. Okay, it's all good. But the big finish is the champagne. Boom. You can see it fizzing. She loves her some champagne. She wants me to pour it on the statue, and I'm like, no, because I don't know if that's great for the roses. But as you can see, it's gonna sit here overnight. It's gonna be a beautiful spiritual cologne. You know, it's highly magical. Everything in here is for romance, it's for sex. I actually found some safflower today. I didn't know what it was. I was like, what is that exactly? And I was like, I looked it up and I'm like, it was safflower. Safflower is for gay sex, like not say gay, lesbian, whatever, but it's very magical. It's very mystical. The Egyptians used it to dye, you know, all kinds of stuff. But so we're gonna let that sit out overnight. Ayibobo, everybody have a blessed full moon. This particular perfume, I'm gonna call this, she said call it Queen of Ecstasy because of the safflower. So now I'm very interested in using it. but I'm gonna give everybody a sample. Everybody who orders $100 or more from the shop, because this is created in the full moon, it's extremely powerful. We'll be lighting candles to her tonight. I will give everybody a 2-ounce sample of this very perfume. Ayibobo, blessed full moon, blessed day.